Hi there, and thanks for joining me here on Scotland FX. My name is Stuart. Thank you for looking at this video. As you can see, I'm just a new channel. I have 16 subscribers at the moment, and thank you very much to them. You know who you are. Excuse me. So today we're going to have a look at, I've obviously been looking at different strategies. I've had a strategy I've been using long term for trading, but want to do the Ftmo challenge. The problem with that is that now I'm back to work and I'm out typically at the house anywhere between 40 and 60 hours a week, sitting actually implementing my strategy is proven impossible to do, basically very hard to do. So I looked at another strategy that I was thinking about and have been able to automate it. And basically I have been running an Ftmo demo account now, 50,000 dollar demo account. As you can see here, it has been running for 6 days, and my my profit target is 5,000. Currently not passing because I haven't reached it, but I've only been running for 6 days, and my account is up 2,105. You can see, for example, here looking over, this showing you the last 5 days, the sort of profit that my strategy has been making. So every day has been profitable. £266, $250 I should say, $255.11, $796.90, $260.19, and $170. So this is running auto. This is what I'm calling my SFX Super Hedger version 1.0, which is currently where we're at the moment. Now you can see the reason it's a lot generally, as you can see, all the time it's going up. The reason it's spiky is because we're hedging, we have winning and losing trades, but the way my system is working, my wins will always outweigh the losses, whether the wins are in a short position or a long position. So this is something I've been working on for quite a while now, and as you can see, over the last 6 days trading this on the Ftmo demo, I am up now, 2,000. It's actually more than that. Let me just switch the screens and I'll let you have a look at how I've been running this. So basically I've been running 12 pairs. These are obviously just Forex pairs that I've been running, and let me just straighten up a bit. And as you can see today, for example, I'm actually up $219 at the moment. All these other pairs have concluded for the day. I am running it at the moment with just the first trade activated in the morning, and however long that trade takes to play out, hedging my positions until I am in profit. So that is how that works. You can see I'm up $219.35. That's just for today. If I switch that and just do all history, because obviously this is only running for 6 days, it was on a $50,000 demo account, and as we can see, if I scroll to the bottom, it's actually $52,167.09 is actually my balance, not the 2,105, because obviously it's just not been up to date with the most recent orders that have closed in profit. I still have one running, which is on Euro Swiss franc there, and it's running away. Obviously when that closes, it will close in profit. Well, that's the whole idea of this hedging system. If the price goes up and it hits up here, they take profit. All the long positions will be in profit, and all the short positions will be in loss. However, the way I work this super hedger out, the way this automatically does it, is it will constantly generate positions to cover the losses on the previous positions and leave you in profit. Whether it's the longs have got slightly more profit and it hit your take profit than the shorts would be on their losses, or if we came down here, the shorts would be slightly more in profit than the losses on the longs. So whichever way it eventually goes, you end up in profit. Now you can have your level of risk. You can start off with 0.01 lot size over multiple frames, which obviously, for example, if you had 0.01 and you had, say, just 10 instruments running, that would give you in total 0.1 of risk, but broken up over 10 instruments. Therefore, as your positions get larger, you know, if we do have a bit of choppiness and we're triggering multiple positions on one instrument, just because you're starting with a much smaller lot size, you end up with less risk per instrument, and then not allowing yourself to have two large lots being bought. Obviously, if you just had one instrument, for example, at one lot, you know, you could find yourself with rather large lot sizes as the position continually hedges itself in a choppy market. So I like to play it a little bit safer. So for example, if all these were 0.1 and you say had 10 running, you're still got a lot in profit. Actually, I'm operating these at 0.2 at the moment. You can see down here, I think you can see it here. So you can see there's your 0.2. Let me just find one that would have closed. Let me have a look. Well, let me scroll that. So there you see, I'm just trying to find a new one. So you got your buy for 0.2, a sell stop for 0.2, and then a new sell stop created for 0.46. And this, obviously, looking at different assets here, I should really just do it on one asset. That would have made it easier, one instrument. But basically, I won't go into the full structure of it because it is quite complicated. A lot of calculations have gone into this. Now, with that being said, this revision I'm currently running is still being tested at the moment, which is why it's just called bot revision 4. But basically, it's going to be called the SFX Super Hedger. Once I've completed all my back testing and got the results that I'm looking for, as you see, I'm 52,167.09 cents, so 2,167.09 I've made in the last 6 days on this Ftmo demo account. At the end of this week, assuming it all goes well, the couple of little other revisions I'm doing to my expert advisor. Once I'm happy and it's doing exactly what I want, I will, because I'll be including some fail safes into it as well, which I haven't got yet, but they're being programmed in. Once that is in, I will be looking to put this onto the Ftmo challenge, and I think I'm going to be doing a 100k Ftmo challenge account. So with that being said, I've not been online for ages because I'm back to work, so it's been really hard to get online, and when I went back it was mental. It has been mental now for the last 3 weeks, but here I am, I'm back, and I'll keep you up to date with this, but so far it's doing fantastically well. If I just switch back to screen 1 here, you can see this is how it's been trading. Obviously, the reason you see, you know, it's spiking often is when you have lots of multiple hedges running, you obviously make profit on some and losses on the other. But you can probably see here that, you know, there I was at $713 profit. Then all the profitable positions took the balance to 1566, and then obviously all the losing positions then closed as well, as the trading system does automatically, and that knocked it down to 785. So actually it was a jump from 713 to 785. Once you had all the winning and losing positions closed, you can see that the equity curve is still up. You know, that's up about $70 there, and that carries on and carries on and carries on. So the reason you have spikes is when you have lots of positions open and they close, you get the profit on them, of course, but then the losing positions close and then you're at a loss. But as long as you're, and that would have been down here, but as long as you see there that when they've all closed, all the winners and losers together have closed, the balance there, or the profit there, was currently at $1,229. Prior to that, if I just jump back to that, it was at $1,018. So you do see that the equity keeps growing. So at the moment, very impressed with my expert advisor. As I said, I will be putting it live, effectively live, if you like. I consider it live, a challenge, an Ftmo challenge, because I'm putting good money into that. You know, it's €540 for the 100k challenge account, so that's money I do not want to lose. So for me, or, you know, I'm not going to put that money in. I have to consider that as a live trading account and treat it as such, and hopefully have a similar equity curve on that to complete the challenge. So that's where we are at the moment. I just thought I would introduce you to my trading bot, the SFX Super Hedger. As I said, it's not complete yet. When it is complete, I will make it available to any viewers that are interested in purchasing it, but that's not the main reason I'm doing it. I've spent a lot of time and money developing this over lockdown, and I'm very excited about what it will do for me personally, in the sense of gaining a funded Ftmo trading account. So with that being said, I'll leave that there. Thank you very, very much for joining me here on this video. As I said, I'm a small channel, as you can see there. I only have 16 subscribers at the moment, which I'm very, very happy to have, and obviously I'd love to see that grow a little bit more. So if you've liked this video, do me a solid, give it a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. That would be very, very much appreciated, and obviously that will keep you up to date with content as and when I release it. So with that being said, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this short video. I'll try and be a lot more regular now that I'm actively doing this and looking to start the Ftmo challenge, hopefully this coming Monday, assuming my back testing and the final revision has no bugs of my trading bot. So the idea being I can be out at work while this is passing the challenge and then the verification for me, and eventually be trading a funded account for me without any intervention from myself at all, completely autonomously. That's the whole idea, because I'm now working and it's going to be very hard to be in front of the computer during trading times, because that's my normal work times. Right, that being said, I'll leave that there. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you very soon on the next one. Thank you very much.